everybody, Ryan with Von Scholler Family Experience, and we got a moto weekend for you. We're out here at Grange, California, kind of our local track, and it's about 45 minutes from us. We're out here breaking in some new bikes. Cameron's on his new 2020 CRF110. I've got the KTM350, and then Deegan went and raced up at Marysville, and they picked up a new KTM 2020 65, so he's breaking that sucker in this weekend as well. So really excited, a bunch of new bikes to break in and have some fun with. And my father-in-law Don's out here on his 450 KTM, and then of course Mitch has his 500 KTM. We're hoping we can get Corbin out on the little CRF50. He's moved up to the Honda 50, but he's still a little timid on it, so we should be able to get him on it. And of course we brought the quad for him. So just a good little moto weekend out here at Grange. It rained a little bit Friday night, so knocked the dust down a little, and we're just out having some fun. Check it out. Cameron's back there on the track, just working on his shifting. Got him working on shifting down into the turns and coming out, shifting up. He's doing good, doing better. Getting a lot of practice this weekend.
Doing good? I'm getting sore? Yeah?